everyone, welcome to the Back 40 Feet, where we talk about suburban, urban, and patio gardening. And today we're going to talk about how to protect your plants when you get a frost or freeze warning, which we have today. Fortunately, the forecasters have given us plenty of warning that we're going to get a frost, which has just been upgraded to a freeze. So if you have plants in the ground, even hardy ones like your broccoli, if frozen water, aka frost, gets on the leaves, it can get burnt. So the best thing to do is to protect your leaves by getting them under something. Think about an umbrella. So if you look over here to my left, it kind of looks like a kid's fort, but I have covered up all of the vegetables that I currently have in my garden. It is not supposed to rain, so I'm fine with this just being cloth. If I was supposed to get precipitation, I would probably cover this up with a plastic tarp instead so that the water wouldn't get through. If you have anything that's not in the ground or tenders, bring them indoors. If they're too big to bring indoors, you can get them under a deck or under anything that you can. Another thing you can do if you do have tenders that you want to keep warm, you can fill up a water bottle and put it inside, and that will retain the heat from the daytime and release heat during the day to help protect your plants through the night. Thank you for watching.